QEEQ discount tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about QEEQ. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now before I begin, I just want to say that if you click the link in the description below, you can easily use that link to sign up and get exclusive deals and promo codes that you can apply onto your booking and save a lot of money. So make sure you check those deals out. So let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on the website, and here at the top, it's a pretty simple and easy to use website. You just simply come over here, select your pickup location, your drop-off location over here, your residency, your promo codes are going to be available over here. So again, check the link in the description. There are no hidden fees, free cancellation, everything is available. Bitcoin payment is acceptable over here. They have a bunch of different services as well. You can easily go ahead and click on this sign in button over here to go ahead and complete or register your account. So I'm going to go ahead and register my account by using the Google option, if that is available, if it'll allow me. And there we go. All right, so next all we got to do is just simply find our cars. So we're going to come over here and add our location. So I'll just type in the Ritz. There we go. This is the one that we're gonna go ahead and input. I'm gonna add that over here. Can add my age over here. So let's say, you know what, the driver's age is gonna be 27, and over here you can change your residency to wherever you are, and then here apply the promo code and then hit the search button. All right, and you can have your rental agreement is going to be for 1 day. You can increase it later on, but yeah, here you can, again, as I said before, increase the date. So now it's just simply going to go ahead and find some cars available for me. What if I, increase the date? There we go. And then hit the search button. And here we go. So next, over here, you have your car types. You can select whatever car type you want. So you've got SUVs, large, medium, small, supplier, capacity. All those filters are going to be over here. Then just simply filter them out to your requirements, and then just simply select the car that you want, right? So this one is available. Select it. Click on view deal. It's going to open up in a new tab, and then here you can just simply select the deal, see whether you like it or not, and apply the promo codes if available, and then just simply go ahead and fill out this form and click on book now, and boom, you've booked a car. Then you can proceed with the payment options, and there you go. That's how you can go ahead and get a discount on it as well. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.